Hey DIY friends, and welcome back to another review video. I came across some Dollar Tree soy ocean scented candles, and I'm going to be showing you them and reviewing them for you today. I'm also going to be giving two people 2 candles out of this video, so if you want to get some candles, leave me a comment, and you also must be a subscriber. This first candle, Ocean Riptide, is one of my favorites. It comes in a 3-ounce container, and this is a blue tinted glass with a metal top. I really love the smell of this candle. Whatever scents they are using, it gives you the feel when you smell it of you being on the ocean side, and it's very calming and soothing. No scent in this candle is overpowering to me. I actually had 3 of these lit in my home, and I have a very open floor pan on my main level, and they lit up the place where it smelled like them, and it was so great. I was so excited. I am a candle addict, and Dollar Tree is not helping me with my obsession, but I really love the smell of this candle. This next candle scent is called Mahogany Beechwood, and this one you either love it or you hate it. I personally put this on the bottom of my list between all 4 of the candles because the mahogany smell is really like deep and rich, full-bodied. It's not really something I would want to smell all the time, but when I gave it to other people, they loved it, so it's really a personal taste and what you want to smell for your candle. These candles, all 4, I have burnt, and they all have burnt evenly, which is even more better because I hate when candles just burn with those holes and you have to worry about getting the other candle wax, so you're not wasting anything to make a whole new candle. This next candle is called Seafoam Surf, and I really can just sniff this candle all day because it truly reminds me of when I am going to get a massage, and the smell, the aromas that's in the air, it's just so relaxing, so soothing. Like having this in my bathroom when I'm taking a bath is like the perfect candle to have. It just makes me feel so calm and at ease, and it looks so pretty in the green tinted glass when it's burning. Oh my goodness, I really love this candle as well. And the last candle scent is Coconut Amber. This one comes in a brownish tinted kind of jar, and when you smell it, the coconut is evident, but then that amber smell, which is so not really easy to kind of like pick out because it's actually hard to describe. It smells kind of sweet and then kind of smoky, woody a little bit, but the coconut smell and the amber smell together both are blended perfectly, and it's really soothing, it's really calming, it's not overpowering in any way to me when I smell it. So this will be a good candle to have as well that is not really overpowering. These are the 4 candles being offered at Dollar Tree. They are online, but they are back ordered, but I'm giving away 2 candles to 2 people. I will pick the winner on the 14th of next week. You have to be a subscriber and leave me a comment on which 2 you would want. Thank you for watching.